What's going on, guys? Back here at the door auction, looking at this Ford Taurus. It's an 01, has 108,000 miles, 109,000 miles, I'm sorry. Has 109,000 miles. Looks clean on the inside. It started right up. Got a little stain on the carpet. For the most part, body is clean. Body is clean for the most part. No bad sun fade on it. So, yeah, we're gonna be looking at stuff like this today. Hopefully we can pick up a couple. The only thing I would do to it, I'll buy more hubcaps and then spray this bumper right there. Let me see if the AC is blowing cold. AC is definitely blowing cold. We got a check engine light. Let's see what that's about. Let's see what this check engine light about, y'all. Turn this air down some so y'all can hear me. AC is blowing cold. Oh, I just seen the glove box broke, so we gonna have to get this a little cheap. I don't know how cheap, but cheap as we can get it. It's just like the base model. See, we got the wing too. It might be able to pass emissions. No, it can't pass emissions because the light is on. So I would have to clear it. It's system to wing. So I would have to clear the code and then take it for the test drive to pass emissions. Because all systems is ready. It's just got the check engine light. So this is definitely one I definitely want to bid on. It goes in the gear good. There it goes right in the gear. So yeah, this is definitely one I want to bid on. Alright guys, get back to you on the next one. So another one that might go cheap. 2007 Sonata. Sunfade on the back bumper. I already hooked it up. And it has a cracked windshield. Got a cracked windshield. But I already hooked the scanner up to it. It's just a brake light switch. So that's about it, guys. On to the next one. Alright guys, we just got done test driving this one. This one got like 231 on it. Let me show you. 231. This thing running, drove good. So I'm happy with the way this one ran. Cold AC. This is a 2004 Toyota Corolla. Just got done test driving, running, drive great. Told y'all this is the cars we're gonna be looking for today. Got a little sun fade. Other than that, seems cool. I'll keep showing y'all the cars as we go. It's another one we have on our list. It's 2008 Toyota Yaris. 2008 Toyota Yaris. I think got a little bump on the back. Oh, the front right here. Sprayed out with some black paint. Got 177,000 miles. But outside of that, it's good. Turn this down. AC blowing cold right off the bat. No service lights on. If you guys been watching the channel for a minute, you see I had a red Toyota Yaris. It was a stick shift though. This one is automatic. That one was like a 07 or something. This one is a 08. But that one had lesser miles. That one had like 110 on it. This one got 177. I sold the other one for like $3 grand or something like that. So I'm expecting to sell this one somewhere close to that. And that one was the salvage title. This is a clean title. and it's not a manual, so I can definitely get about the same for this one. So I'm definitely interested in this one. So this is definitely about to be something I'm gonna be looking to mess with. It just sounds funny up front. My last one did that. It was the, yeah, this one got an exhaust leak. That's an exhaust leak. Yeah. Yeah, this one is exhaust leak. But my last one did it because the hood prop was in the wrong place. So, but all right, guys, got a couple more I'm gonna show you. Come back to you. I'm gonna show you guys what I was talking about, so you guys can know. Hear the noise? That's the hood prop. I had this happen on my last one. And we're gonna leave it there. So guys, I had that happen on my last one. That's how I knew exactly what the noise was. Because if you don't know, I don't know if I can hear that. I got the car in reverse right now with the e-brake on so I can show you. But if you don't know, you'll think the motor is knocking. Hope you can hear it in this side. But yeah, guys, if you don't know, you'll think the motor knocking, man. You gotta know a lot of stuff when in this car business, man. I don't know everything. I just know, you know, stuff good enough to get me past. But you gotta know stuff like that to get these cars cheap. I'm gonna leave it like that so people can think the motor knocking, because I want this one. And yeah, move on to the next one, man. I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, guys, as you guys see, we went to the auction today. Showed you guys a couple of cars. I did win a car today. I didn't pay for it yet. I'm going to pay for it once the title comes in. I'd rather get the G6 first because the one I bought today. So you know how that goes. But I'm gonna wrap this up, man. It's hot as hell. So I'm gonna wrap this video up and catch you guys in the next one. Peace, I'm out.